Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn about the MRI real estate software. So the very first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we have to search for MRI real estate software. Okay, so let me just open a new tab. Then after that, just type this out and you'll be able to see this first website. So you just have to click on this one. Okay, this one right here, that's right, and you'll be directed to this website. Okay, now the very first thing you should do here is we are going to create an account. Okay, so all you have to do is to contact them, but of course we have to get a demo first in order for us to really sign up for an account. So what we're going to do here now is to know the things for us to use these tools. So we have multifamily real estate to take care of residence business and yourself with residency property management software. And we also have the commercial real estate. Okay, so let me just go back here. So retain tenants and optimize property operations, minimize the costs, and maximize the NOI. So for the facilities management, automation, and data accessibility, ensure that maintenance is completed on time, to budget, and is compliant. Next is affordable and public housing. So better serve your residents, stay compliant, manage your assets, and support your team. Next, lease management. So avoid costly contract mistakes, mitigate risk, and get the most from your leases. Energy management, so understand your energy consumption, reduce surging costs, and meet your green goals. Okay, so now let's go and have a look. So we have the property management software, commercial, residential, and the occupiers. So for the property management software that puts you in control, transform your portfolio's performance with comprehensive and connected set of solutions built for real estate owners, operators, investors, and occupiers. So the benefits of the property management software: save valuable time, enhance relationships, grow your business. Next here, so clunky and outdated real estate software can hold back your business. So clients, building occupiers, and suppliers deserve the best experience in your hands. So it's frustrating when your software and applications stop you from delivering it. Here, the property management software to help you grow. So they have a cloud-based software and services, a comprehensive functionality for every asset class, and easy integration with your tech strategy. So grow your business with flexible, accessible, anywhere software. Here for the comprehensive functionality for every asset class, so packed with tools and features and continuous maintained to reflect new standards and evolving practices of owners, occupiers, and agents. Next, easy integration with your tech strategies to provide a unified experience for your users and stakeholders to run your business smoother and boost overall performance. Okay, so next, let's proceed to the commercial. So for the commercial, there are so many branches for this one. So we have financials, investment management, building operations, energy management, and tenant engagement. So let's just focus on here. So do more for commercial real estate portfolios. So make data-informed decisions, improve market performance, control cost, and protect revenue, and unlock the AI-fueled insights. Okay, so here, reduce the cost and safeguard your portfolio. So we have the analytics and reporting. We have lease management, the advanced retail management, online tenant portal, AI lease abstraction, vehicle and foot traffic data, building operations, and energy management. So let's go to the financials. Okay, so under financials, you can see we have reporting and analytics, budgeting and forecasting, AP automation, fixed asset and accounting. So let's just focus on the real estate accounting software. So it can save staff time, customize financial reporting, gain efficiency and insights. Okay, so here you can work smarter with connected financial solutions designed for you. So why top real estate business rely on MRI? Okay, So here, as you can see, a fully integrated real estate accounting software solution. So we have the AP automation, budgeting and forecasting, general ledger, corporate accounts receivable, fixed asset accounting, investment accounting, reporting and analytics, debt management, and job cost. Now let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so let me just go back here. We have the residential. Okay, so make life easier for property managers and residents with a toolkit of software solutions to serve the multifamily, affordable housing, and condo sectors. So the MRI has built a genuinely global platform that extends well beyond North American properties. Companies like MRI have been quietly building international scale while others focus primarily on US growth. Okay, so you take care of residents and yourself with a cloud base. So how can we help? So we have multifamily, affordable and public housing, condo, and HOA management. And now let's proceed to the last one. Okay, so let's proceed to the occupiers. Okay, this one. So gain complete visibility into workplace costs with an extensible IWMS. So it has so many branches: the lease admin, lease accounting, lease abstraction, and more. So here, the real estate and workplace needs keep evolving. So your IWMS should too. And introducing the extensible next generation integrated workplace management system. So a flexible ecosystem that grows with your business. So we have real estate management, workplace management, and operation management. Now, what sets the MRI apart is its scalability and global reach. It caters to property managers, real estate investors, and asset managers by offering tailored solutions for different property types and business models. Whether you're handling multifamily units, commercial spaces, or mixed-use developments, the MRI provides advanced reporting tool and mobile capabilities that improve decision-making, increase efficiency, and enhance tenant experiences. Now, the MRI real estate software is a comprehensive cloud-based platform designed to support property management, accounting, and investment needs across residential, commercial, and corporate real estate. So it offers a flexible and open architecture that allows integration with third-party tools, making it ideal for complex portfolios or enterprises with unique needs. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped to solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.